We will be reading a book in class together. Sometimes people prefer different options for when they read. Some students prefer to read individually because they feel that they are able to focus better on their own and they remember or can understand the text better. Other students prefer to read it as a whole class, with students taking turns reading or possibly the teacher sometimes reading. This allows the class to pause and talk about the book. Other students prefer reading in a small group with their peers. This way, they can stop, talk about the book when they feel it is best appropriate, and they can listen to others and maybe learn something new from their peers. Which way do you prefer to read a book in class in either ELA or reading class? Do you prefer to read it individually, as a whole class, or a small group? Give reasons to back up your choice.